Enjoy water views of the Kickemuit River from this beautiful updated cape in the Laurel Park neighborhood of Warren. The updated open floor plan includes hardwood floors and a cathedral ceiling that soars over the stunning kitchen with granite countertops and a large island with a breakfast bar. Relax in the cozy living room with a warm fireplace and sliders that step out to the large three-season porch with a wood-burning stove. Down the hall are the formal dining room, a first-floor laundry area, and a large full bath with a whirlpool tub. Completing the first floor are two generous bedrooms filled with natural light. Enjoy the outdoors from the calming deck in the fully fenced-in backyard with beautiful landscaping throughout. The second floor features a spacious master bedroom suite with access to a full bath and a private balcony with water views. Be a part of the neighborhood association and enjoy access to the nearby beach with a controlled swimming area and boat storage. Metacom Avenue is conveniently located down the road and is a popular destination full of shopping and dining options. Experience the area's local beauty and visit parks like Burrs Hill and Colt State Park. The acclaimed theaters and restaurants of Providence are less than 15 miles away from this quiet neighborhood. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Ted Friedman of the Friedman Group at area code 401-864-0269.